Hi friends, very good morning all of you. So welcome back to Cap Classes. And as I promised you a couple of days back, or maybe after the results are announced some 4 or 5 days back, I told you that I will help you with a preparation study plan and a test series. So herewith I came, it has taken a lot of time and effort for me to compile this study plan and all, especially test series is rather as an easier thing for me to plan. But this study plan preparing for group 1, group 2, both groups of new syllabus, group 1, group 2 and both groups of old syllabus IPCC has taken a lot of time and effort. But still I am very happy to say that I am here with a complete plan in my hand. So before I start with something, I'll tell you, there is an old adage saying, dictum. It says that which is monitored and measured will grow. So you need to monitor it, you need to measure it, you need to control it. Then there is a good chance that it will grow. That which is monitored, that which is controlled, that which is measured grows. That which cannot grow dies. How beautiful this is. That which is monitored, measured and controlled will grow. That which cannot grow dies. Eventually it perishes. So what we need to do is we need to monitor ourselves. We need to control ourselves. So how can we monitor ourselves? So many students, those who were not successful academically in this previous examinations, many of them said, Pawan sir, I have given my best of the effort. I have prepared well. And one girl is saying that she studied for 14 hours, 15 hours, but still she failed. So I'm really concerned about all these students, okay? Imagine there is a student who did not put the efforts, who did not study and he failed. I am least bothered about him. If you know that, Pawan sir, I have not studied well, I have not prepared well and I failed in the exam, it's okay. But those students who claim that they genuinely have put a lot of hard work and efforts, but still they are not successful, then I am concerned about them. So if you fall in this category, if you belong to this category that you have genuinely worked well but still couldn't succeed in the exam, first introspect. Where is the mistake? Where was the mistake? So is it conceptual clarity that you do not have in the subject? So never blame this subject teacher did not teach well, that is the reason I failed. Hey, come on. Those days are gone. 7th class, 6th class, 8th class reasons are gone. Now sit back, calm down, open your books, check the index, contents, what are all the topics that are there in the subject. Do you have a strong conceptual knowledge and understanding in that or no? Question number 1. Introspect yourself. Introspect yourself. So have you got the knowledge muscle required to write the exam? This point number 1. Point number 2. Pawan sir, I want to start afresh, zero level. I want to start at zero level. Is there a way? The answer is always yes. The answer is always yes. You should have a proper plan. You should have proper benchmarks. You should have proper measurement. Now, what I am going to tell here is, look at this table. What I have done is, for both group 1, group 2 of old syllabus, new syllabus and both the group students, I have prepared test series. I have prepared a study planner which is absolutely free of cost and available in my Telegram channel Cap Classes, in our mobile app, that is Cap Classes. You can download from Play Store, you can download from Google Play Store, or even for iOS we have an app. If you need iOS link or Android link, you can text me in this phone number, or you can search, you will get easily in the Google. So all this will be uploaded to this social media platforms and application. Now, what is the plan here? What is the plan here? Simple. I have made each subject into 5 equal parts. I have made each subject into 5 equal parts. Every part you will write 50 marks examination. For example, imagine there is a student who says, Pawan sir, I am thorough with all the papers, but I am scared of taxation. Pawan sir, I am thorough with all the papers, but I am scared of costing. Pawan sir, I am thorough with all the papers, but I am scared of advanced accounting. So if your problem is with 1 or 2 specific papers, then this definitely works for you. So what we do is, on the screen you can see there is advanced accounting, and this advanced accounting paper 5, this is for new syllabus CA Inter. Similar table is available for old syllabus also. So in this new syllabus, what I have done is, ICAI ICAI has given what is the expected weightage of each chapter topic wise in their website. So I have taken the weightage of ICAI, and also I have seen the trend of last 4-5 examinations. So how the questions are being asked. From that I have divided 100 marks into 5 parts of 20 marks each. So in that, standards, accounting standards comes for the first part. 20% of the weightage and 50 marks exam will be conducted here. You have so many accounting standards in group 2. Some of them are basic, some of them are little advanced. So when you are doing standard 4, 5, 7, 9, these kind of things are cakewalk. 26, 29, these are cakewalk, simple standards. But when you are doing maybe 19, 20, 22, you might feel little difficulty. Okay, so I have given a study plan wherein we have allocated 15 hours for studying this accounting standards. 15 hours you will study this accounting standards, and then you will write 50 marks examination. You will write 50 marks examination. In our segment 2, bucket 2, accounting for ESOP, buyback, equity shares with the differential rates. Equity share with the differential rates is 5 minutes topic. Buyback is 1 hour topic. ESOP, 3-4 hours. If you do concentrated, this will be done. So I say exam 2 is there, no? This is pretty easy bucket. This is pretty easy. Pretty easy. So this is for 50 marks. Then comes amalgamation, reconstruction, liquidation of companies. This is actually heavy bucket. This is actually heavy bucket. Initially I thought of putting this liquidation in exam 2, but still I thought let it be tougher like this, because going forward exam 3 you will write after 1 month. So initially light exams. After 1 month from the starting of your preparation, you should be ready to write the exams like this. Then this will be for 50 marks. Then exam 4 will be banking companies and non-banking finance companies, 50. Banking and non-banking finance companies put together is for 50 marks, and then consolidation and dissolution of partnership firms, that is for 50 marks. So I have divided this advanced accounting into 5 topics, wherein 1-2 buckets are very light, third one will be heavy, first one will be little heavy, not that really heavier, okay, kind of. So, and then after writing this 5 exams, you will write mock test. Mock test will be for 100 marks. It will be strictly given in ICAI pattern. So we follow ICAI pattern. We take, while compiling the question papers are prepared by subject experts. Question papers are prepared by subject experts. They consider MTPs, RTPs, previously asked questions, like for old syllabus they have practice manual, for new syllabus you are compilation of suggested answers. Okay, and then ICAI study material questions. If you cover this 4, trust me, you will get 80 marks in the exam. 80. Study material, MTP, RTP, previously asked examination questions. Enough. So there are 2 types of test series. One is a free test series, one is a paid test series. For paid test series, we take 299 rupees per subject. That goes only for evaluating papers. So one person has to evaluate your 6 papers, 5 topic wise papers and 1 model exam. And then a person is putting so many efforts in compiling the question papers, and also little money goes to them. That's all. So this is not a big cost. As I told you in my previous, some of the classes also, if you watch a movie, if you go to a movie, your expenses will be definitely 299. If you go to PVR, you can buy whole group 1000 rupees with that. So 299 will be for individual paper, 1000 rupees for all the 4 papers put together. If you cannot afford, Pawan sir, I cannot afford 299 rupees also, don't worry. It is not at all a commercial project. We will give all the question papers, and for your self-evaluation, suggested answers also will be given free of cost. I have seen so many portals, they say free test series, they'll give only 1 or 2 exam papers to you, and then answer sheet will not be given. If you need answer sheet or evaluation, you need to pay money. That is, waste of students' time also. But here if you observe, per subject how many? 5 exams and then 1 mock, total 6 into 8, 48 question papers, 48 answer papers. I will give you free of cost without taking 1 rupee. So just you can check our Telegram channel, or you can check our mobile application or iOS application. That is the best way, because 200 free videos are uploaded in the last few days in this mobile application. So download CapClasses mobile application. There is one batch called free resources batch. If you go to free resources, there will be video section. In video section, you can see lot of subjects accounting standard videos, advanced accounting videos, group 1 accounting standard videos, then this auditing videos. In each subject around 50-60 videos are there, everything free of cost. Happily you can read, you can prepare well for the exams. If you want to buy 100% of the syllabus, both recorded classes, pen drive classes, Google Drive classes and live classes are available. That is a different story. But my intention is not to sell subjects to you. My intention is to help you in preparation. Similarly, this is advanced accounting. After that, auditing and assurance. Same pattern. Exam 1 will have nature, scope and objective, audit strategy, audit planning and program, audit sampling, analytical procedures. This 4 put together is one exam. Then second one is audit documentation, audit evidence, risk assessment and internal control, audit in IT environment or automated environment you call. This 3 chapters put together is one. Then 3 is company audit, frauds and responsibilities of auditor, 50 marks. Then audit report and audit of items of financial statements, one exam. Then audit of banks and different types of entities, special audits. This is one module. So if you observe, every bucket is almost the same. Every exam is almost with same weightage. This is how you should write the exams. And then comes your EIS. EIS 5 chapters. What is there to do? 5 chapters, 5 exams. Khatam. Then strategic management, 8 chapters are there. That 8 were divided into 5 exams. Here if you observe, though IT and strategic management, EIS and strategic management is single paper, we have divided that into 2 different subjects because many students are failing in EIS. So EIS is the paper which needs more attention, not that the subject is difficult or too much of intricacies and in-depth concepts are there, but because the level of understanding and reproduction ability is comparatively less. So students are not able to write the answers properly. That is what even ICAI is saying. EIS answers are not appropriately. So people are simply writing some vague answers. So you need more practice. So EIS is a separate subject and strategic management is a separate subject. So these are 5 parts in strategic management. Then FM and Eco. FM and Eco put together only one subject I have done because economics has only 4 chapters. How can we make 5 chapters out of it, 5 exams? So what I have done is first 3 exams is for FM, last 2 exams is for economics. So like this 5 exams you'll write and then 1 mock exam. This is about the test series. Again I am repeating, absolutely free test series is also available. You will get the question papers, you will get the answer sheets, suggested answers for evaluation also. If you pay 299 rupees, the extra benefits what you get is you will have evaluated answer sheet for you. So one subject expert will evaluate your answers and then he will send it through email to you. And another advantage is if you have any doubts, counselings and all, doubt clarification can be provided for paid students. Other than that, test series question papers and suggested answers are same for both free students and paid students. Last time also I have got extremely good feedback. If you remember, in one of my previous videos I have shown you in my dashboard of this CAP Classes app, 2,800 students enrolled for this test series. 2,800 students. Out of that, majority of them have said that Pawan sir, this plan is working exceptionally well. So download the study plan, download this test series plan. If you can afford, pay that 1,000 rupees per group or 299 rupees per paper and then get the question papers, get the answer sheets evaluated. If you cannot afford genuinely, then you can download the question papers and write the answers for evaluation. Freely suggested answer will be given to you. This is about test series. Okay, so in next video, I am going to explain you what is our study plan for May 2021 for both the group students, for group 1, group 2 students, separately for old syllabus and new syllabus. And also some of the articled assistants were asking, Pawan sir, we are going to articles, can you make a plan for us? I will try to help that category of students also. So keep watching, keep an eye, download CAP Classes mobile application, whether you are using Android or iOS, in both the platforms, this is available. Thank you so much. Good luck.